The topic is NRI bank accounts in India. First of all, we need to understand who is an NRI. In general sense, the person resident outside India is known as NRI. NRI is a person who is resident outside India and is a citizen of India, including an PIO. PIO or the person of Indian origin is a person who at any time or either of his parents or his grandparents held Indian passport or was a citizen of India or a spouse of such person. They are known as person of Indian origin. Now the question is whether an NRI can open a bank account in India. Yes, an NRI can open and maintain a bank account in India. The types of accounts are NRO account, NRE account and FCNRI account. Now what is NRE account? NRE account or non-resident external account is maintained in INR. You can deposit here your earnings earned outside India. You deposit here the foreign currencies, it converts into INR at the then prevailing foreign exchange. The proceeds and income in the NRE accounts are fully repatriable, that is, you can take out the money outside India at any time. The interest earned in the account is tax free. This can be opened in any form like current, savings, fixed deposit or recurring. The NRI account can be opened jointly also with any other resident or non-resident person. The permissible credits in the NRI accounts are the remittances from overseas India, transfer from any other NRI account, interest earned on the account, interest on investment, the maturity amounts and the income like dividend, pension, etc. The permissible debits from NRI accounts are local disbursements, transfer to other FCNR or NRI account and investment in India. The next account is NRO account, that is non-resident ordinary account. This is also maintained in INR. NRI can deposit their income earned in India to this account. This is basically used for the Indian incomes. The account can be opened in any form like savings, current, fixed deposits and recurring. It can also be opened jointly with the resident Indian and the resident can also operate the account as a power of attorney holder. There is a limit of repatriation in this account. The amounts are not fully repatriable, that is, there is a limit. The limit is $1 million per year. Within this limit, you can take out the money from this account. The interest earned in the accounts is taxable at the rate of 30%. Now the permissible credit. The permissible credits in the accounts are remittances from abroad, transfer from the NRO account and the loans or gift received from the resident Indian. And other Indian incomes like interest, dividend, rents, pensions can also be credited in the account. The permissible debits are remittances abroad India, transfer to another account NRO or NRE up to the limit and the local payments or the disbursements. The next account is FCNR account, that is foreign currency non-resident account. This account is opened in foreign currency. Deposits in any permissible foreign currency can be taken in this account. This is basically to avoid the currency fluctuation. You can park your foreign currency in this account. The proceeds of this account are fully repatriable. You can take out the money at any time to any extent and it is not even taxable by the government of India. FCNRI account can only be maintained as fixed deposit account. Now there is a provision of opening of bank account by the minority communities belonging to Bangladesh and Pakistan. Any minority community such as Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Christians belonging to Pakistan or Bangladesh and who are on long-term visa in India, they can open an NRO account with the authorized dealer bank in India. The person who have already applied for a long-term visa can also open the bank account, which is valid for 6 months and can be renewed for another period of 6 months, subject to the condition that they are holding a valid visa and registration with the FRO or FRRO offices. The account such opened will be converted into a normal resident account in case they acquire the citizenship of India. The authorized dealer bank shall report the opening of such account with the Ministry of Home Affairs at a quarterly interval. The information to be reported are name of the person, date of arrival, passport detail, their passport detail, and also the FRRO registration, and the complete name and address of the bank detail opened with the authorized dealer bank. The next account is special non-resident rupee account, that is SNRR account. This is done basically for business operations in India. Any NRI who stays outside India but has a business operations in India can open this account. This is also in rupees, and this account does not earn any interest, and you cannot pay any foreign currency out of this account. The maximum period for this account is 7 years and can be renewed with the permission of the Reserve Bank of India. It takes the nomenclature of the business transactions, and any debits or credit shall be in relation to that business transactions only. So friends, we have seen there are several bank accounts which can be opened and maintained by NRI in India. I hope this information is of useful to you. Thank you.